What is up? Welcome back. Been a while since I've had this bike out. I am out kind of, I don't know if testing is the right word. I'm not really going to have time. I was hoping to come out here and play with I just installed the Fox Podium rear shock. I have been running the Fox Float Evol front for a couple years now, and I really like them, so I upgraded the rear. But I'm kind of running out of daylight here. It looks like about like an hour and a half or something. First time bringing out the truck. Just got this 2022 Tacoma, so I'm just gonna cruise around a little bit. Definitely not gonna do what I was hoping to do today. I just took a lot of time to just get everything together and ride out here and stuff like that. So whatever, we'll cruise around a little bit. I think that's about it. So we're gonna put the drone up and just make a quick little video. I doubt it'll be too long or whatever, but we'll cruise. Little toolbox is open. Banshee's off. Banana in hand. I guess a little less riding than I even thought today, because actually this is the first time I've ridden the bike since I've installed the bars and this new levers and stuff. The clutch is not where I want it to be. So I gotta fix that up real quick, but hopefully we can get some riding in. If not, whatever. It's been I mean, look at this setup. I'm freaking stoked at all this, of course. Humble brag, I guess, but no, it's a lot of work to load up all this shit and get it out here. And this is really the first test of all this, so whatever. I don't really care. I'm gonna fix the clutch and hopefully cruise around a little bit. Sun's still up. Yeah, as you can see, the lock nut, or whatever the word for that is hitting the lights here, so I'm just gonna pop that off and adjust the clutch here. But first, shout out to Alex. She is gonna be videoing, but otherwise she would be helping me. That's my wife. All right, couple twists. A couple turns here on the clutch. Now we kind of have a clutch again. It really went away for a second there when I was riding. So it feels like something. Like literally within like the last couple of feet here, and when I pulled up here, the bike just stalled because there was no more clutch. Again, first time I'm running the bike since I've installed all this shit, so we're making it up as we go. If that doesn't get you to subscribe and like, I don't know what will. Alright, so we do have a clutch again. That is good. Everything's tight. Sweet. Alright, here we go. Take 10. Yeah, don't worry about it. Just do whatever. burning my legs off on this fucking thing. All right, so we're both having a lot of problems. I can't get the clutch to stay where I need it. And if you're pulling out your hair, watching this, being like, dude, why don't you know how to adjust the clutch? I'm with you. That's another story. But anyway, my wife here, dirt is falling out of this thing. My wife kind of flagged me down. She's like, I can't control the drone. I can't control the drone. And it was saying the gimbal was stuck. But now that we have it kind of in front of us, there's like dirt falling out of it. I guess she must have got too close or whatever, but fucking shit. So, I don't know. Again, today's not a fail. We got the Banshee out. We got this truck is sick as fuck. You know, I've never been a truck person. I don't even care about trucks. But we need a truck. So we went and picked this one up. Shout out to Temecula Valley. They made it way too easy to buy this. They had it like right up in the showcase spot, right in front of the dealer. The guy was like, "Do you want to drive it?" I said, "Sure, why not? Yeah, okay." And then he, I never gave him the keys back. So we're happy to have that truck. I am going to adjust this clutch one more time. I keep not be. Oh my! And there's our old friend. K&N air filter fell off. Oh my God! This has been the day of all fails here. Looking like the most amateur of all people here.
The one that I fixed didn't came out. I fixed the other one.
So we're that's okay. Am I gonna post this? I don't know, guys. Nothing is going good today. I'm playing around a little bit with the front suspension. I haven't done anything with the back. I don't know where the back is at all. It feels fine, feels good. It looks cool, obviously. But today is not gonna be the day. I'm probably gonna pack up. I mean, pretty soon here. No, I mean, it's a good day. We made it out here. We've been working on the bike. I mean, we're just coming. It's what day is it? November something. It was 80 degrees out here today. So riding season is here. What the fuck? Okay, been all blurry. Riding season's here. We're gonna have a lot of time to get everything sorted out. I guess that's just the way it is. Modifying stuff, it's shit happens, whatever. So we'll see. I think this video might be over. Wife's already jumping into action, working on the filter. Any last words, Alice? Be healthy. Power to the people.
Okay.
We're gonna get this Banshee going, right?
Yeah.
Sun's setting. This day's over. This trip's over. I'm gonna call it a wrap. It was a success. Truck's all dirty. Got a few scratches in the bed. It's a truck now. The quad did okay. I forgot this is actually the first time I've taken it out, and I was having a bunch of problems with the clutch. I'm gonna take it to my friend's house right now and have him look at it. But The only way that it gets any type of pull is if you're like on the like very last thread, and you know it just isn't staying. So it gets a few minutes worth of ride time, and then the clutch just kind of goes out. I have no clutch, so anyway, I'm gonna take it over to my man Jose's house. He knows what to do. That's it. Show's over. Trying to diagnose what's the problem right now with the quad. Newly installed ASV lever. This is the Motion Pro clutch cable that's been on the bike forever. Just changed the bars, just changed the lever. I got about 2 threads here. Otherwise, it won't grab if it's anywhere else pretty much. It's just kind of working intermittently. Like I've been riding it. I rode it from my brother's house to here. It's about 20 minutes. It's been working fine, and now it's starting to kind of mess up a bit. It's really hard to grab neutral for some reason. I'm just wondering what the issue could be, because you know it was perfectly fine when I had the stock bars, stock lever, same clutch cable, and if you look, like everything is functioning pretty perfectly. Like the clutch is definitely grabbing, but it's just acting kind of funny. Let me see. Like a second ago, the reason why I stopped here is because if I pulled the clutch in, it finally got to a point where it would still just be kind of creeping forward, like the clutch wasn't doing anything. And now I pop off. I was expecting this to need some adjustment, but it's not. It's where it was when I started. So I'm just wondering what that is, because nothing, like, just to like my naked eye or physically or whatever, looks different, but the bike is acting a little different. Let me see. Right now, okay, it's not creeping forward like it was. It's serious. Back now. I cannot ship it in the Alright, so that was kind of interesting. It's not creeping forward. When I spun around real fast right there, and it sounded like I missed a gear or whatever, I didn't do anything. The bike did that itself. So that's weird. That's brand new. I haven't seen that. I wasn't shifting at all at that point. So I don't know. What any recommendations? This video is getting crazy long. But yeah, everything was fine. New install. Here we are. So that's the story with the Banshee right now. Yeah.